Alfie, would you like to talk Uncle Michael through it? Right, go on. Hello, Michael. Hang on, look at him. Say hello, Uncle Michael.
Hello, Uncle Michael.
Right, tell him what all the bits are. Where are you now?
I'm where my new train track is.
You're playing in the quarry, aren't you?
Yeah.
Do you want to show him where the stations are?
Yeah.
Go on, quick.
There.
There's one.
There.
And what's this bit here in the middle? Behind you?
Here.
Yeah. No, behind you.
Here.
Yeah.
A runway.
Big runway, Uncle Michael. Shops. And then village over here. Alright. Hope you like it. It's not finished yet. We've got the tunnel to do in the corner to paint. And here. What's going over on this big grey bit, Alfie?
Where?
Here.
A Purple Gun Estate and a Morrison's.
Not a Morrison, a Tesco's, you fruitcake. So there you go. Hope you like it.
Bye-bye, Uncle Michael.
Hang on. You say, what you saying?
We'll Skype you later.
See you, mate.